Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back, everyone. So today, this is how I'm gonna choose my not wonderful, but good videos or theme videos. Or, I don't know what they call it. Content. So first thing, we have to go to game. Okay. So we go this. What game am I gonna be playing today? Oh, Subway Surfers. Okay. Subway Surfers. We have a thing that says Subway Surfers. We do this and see what we get. So I have to get 20,000 points or score. 20,000 score. And where's it? Subway Surfers. I got So yeah. Watching the best second, third, fifth, 20th, or not the best one of the best YouTubers I know who I love. I did 20,000 points. This is gonna be pretty easy but pretty hard. Like I think the max I ever got was like 20,000. I think I already got like 10. I know my max is like 6,000. It's 7,000. Oh no, freaking stuff. Frick. But I'm not gonna use any of these like things. It's a cheating, and I have to do ads, of course. I'm gonna add okay. Actually, guys. You're not gonna do games with ads, okay? Something like there's something that's just like 10 chests, which I don't have, so I'm gonna have to like watch a bunch of videos and then do it. So yeah. So unless this game has ads, we're not gonna do it, okay? So if the game has ads, we're not gonna do it. Idle Heroes. Ooh, Idle Heroes is a good game. Idle Heroes. What am I gonna do? Open 10. Did I just call it? What I mean by open 10 chests? We go to Idle Heroes of the good game. Idle Heroes, 10 chests. This is gonna be a pretty short video. I'll meet you when I'm in the chest area. Okay, guys. We're gonna do the 10 things. So the free one doesn't count. We're gonna try to get a 5-star. Okay. First one. 3, not bad. 4, okay. Okay, not bad. Not 6. 7, 8, 9. Please. Please, just give me a 5-star, please. Love you guys. Goodbye.